Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing about a new chapter, mensuration. I will show you a picture. This is a painting made on a canvas board. And what is the shape of this canvas? It is in rectangular shape. I would like to have a wooden frame for this canvas board. This painting is already having a wooden board. It is made along the boundary of the canvas board. So like that, I have to have a wooden frame for this too. For that, I need to measure the length of all the four sides. Since it's a rectangle, it's a closed figure. So, I have to measure the length of all the four sides. And the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure when we go round once is known as the perimeter. I repeat, the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure when we go round once is known as the perimeter. So, I need to find the perimeter of the rectangle to find the required amount of wooden frame needed. So, let us derive a formula for this. So, the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. You have already learned a rectangle is having four sides and the opposite sides are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So, this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. So, there are two length and two breadth for a rectangle. So, if you want to find the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter P is equal to L plus B plus B. L is the length and B is the breadth. So, we can write it as L plus L, 2L, B plus B is 2B. So, 2L plus 2B, we can take out 2. We'll be getting the equation as 2 into L plus B, which is the equation for perimeter of a rectangle. Hope you understand. Now, we will be measuring the length of all four sides to find out the total length required for the wooden strip. I will be using a ruler. I'll measure the length. The length of this canvas board is 30 centimeter. Let me write it. L is equal to 30 centimeter. Now, let me measure the breadth. This is the breadth and it is 23 centimeter. So, I will be writing the breadth. B is equal to 23 centimeter. Now, let us calculate the total length or the perimeter. P is equal to, as the equation is 2 into L plus B. So, we will be writing 2 into 30 centimeter plus 23 centimeter. That's equal to 2 into 30 plus 23 is 53 centimeter. That's equal to 106 centimeter. So, if I need to make a wooden frame for this, I have to have 106 centimeter length of wooden strip. Hope you understand this. Now, what is this shape? This is a square. We will be finding out the perimeter of a square. So, next is perimeter of square. Square is a closed figure and having four sides. And what is the speciality of the square? Square is having all the four sides equal. So, when we're finding out the perimeter of a square, we can write the equation as P is equal to, since all the four sides are equal, we can write it as 4 into length of a side. So, 4 into L or 4L. So, the perimeter of a square is P is equal to 4L. Now, let me ask a question. Lakshmi, please come here. What is this shape?
Triangle.
Yes. How to find out the perimeter of this triangle?
The triangle has 3 sides.
Yes.
We have to measure the length of each side and add the lengths.
Yes.
Then we get the perimeter of the triangle.
Very good. Yes. So, triangle is also a closed figure, and if you want to find out the perimeter of a triangle, we must add all the 3 sides. Then we will be getting the perimeter of the triangle. Now, let me ask one more question. Gautam, please come here. How to find the perimeter of a hexagon?
The hexagon has 6 sides. We measure the length of each side and add it. We will get the perimeter of the hexagon.
Very good. Yes. What is this?
It's a dartboard.
Yes. What is the shape of this dartboard?
It's a circular shape.
Yes. Two of you please come forward.
Ma'am.
Yes. How to find out the perimeter of this dartboard?
We want to measure the length of the boundary with a thread and the length of the thread with a scale.
Very good. Can you do it?
Yes.
Yes. I'll give you a thread.
Ma'am, it's 127 centimeters.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. So, the length of this dartboard or the perimeter of this dartboard is 127 centimeters. We have learned today what is perimeter, how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. The equation is P is equal to 2 into N plus B, and then perimeter of a square, its equation is P is equal to 4L, and also you have learned perimeter of a triangle, hexagon and the circle. In the next class, we will be learning how to do some problems regarding the perimeter. Okay, thank you.